see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, alphabets are aligned in left side. Along with every alphabet, a single space character is appended. The alphabets are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's see code to print this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal. In this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern 64 plus 5 minus j. Run this file in the terminal. This is our expected triangle pattern.